Sinya.
Start and ready?
Sir.
Okay, good morning, boys.
Morning, sir.
So today we are going to conduct. Wait, sir, pwede mabalit?
Continue na.
Continue. Good morning, boys.
Morning, sir.
So today we are scheduled to conduct crankshaft deflection based on our PMS. So we need to ensure our safety. So all of you are wearing proper protective equipment.
Yes,
sir.
we are.
So that's good. So,
Sir, and I already called the bridge so that they're informed. I called the bridge because we need to turn off the main engine, and they will be informed that we will perform today our crankshaft deflection. And also, sir, I'll per- I'll, per- I'll inform the others that we will perform crankshaft deflection.
Sir, I already turned off the motors, pumps, and closed those valves and put some lockouts and tagouts so that so we can prevent an accidental re-energizing of them.
And sir, I already prepared the soap equipment for cleaning for any possible oil spill in the crankcase.
so is somebody here read the manufacturer's manual?
Sir, I already read the manufacturer's manual, and we need to have our new spare parts. And I already called the company that we need some spare parts today because we'll conduct a crankshaft deflection, and they already delivered. And I also, sir, we have some stock of main bearings, twice the number of our cylinders, sir, twice the number of our main bearings, sir, and they're in good condition, sir.
Sir, I also read the manufacturer's manual. It stated there that if our dial gauge outcome is negative, our web is going inward, and if our dial gauge outcome is positive, our web is going outward. So I already prepared our tools. I also prepared our tools for our maintenance, sir, like wrenches, ratchet, the dial gauge, and etc.
So in delegation of work will be the one that is conducting the crankshaft deflection inside the crankcase.
And sir, I'll be the one to engage the turning gear and assist you in the crankcase and check if there is a harmful gases before we enter the crankcase, sir.
And sir, I will help you with the tools on what you need, sir, and I will be the one to open the crankcase door and also the indicator.
And also sir, I already prepared the oxygen tank and the oximeter along with the blower for for high oxygen content at the crankcase.
So okay, thank you guys for your cooperation. We already minimized the risk in doing crankshaft deflection. So I already have here my work permit, enclosed space entry permit.
Also, sir, I have the work permit, sir, enclosed space entry.
And sir, I will be the one to document all our maintenance performance, and I will be the one to take some photos.
And also sir, I will be the one to fill up the maintenance form.
Sir, I'll be the one to encode our maintenance in our PMS, plan maintenance system.
So I will be the one that will log it in our logbook or engine room logbook. And time check. So we already done our toolbox meeting exactly 900 hours. So we're going to conduct our crankshaft deflection at exactly 1300 hours to make sure that the engine is cooled down. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you, sir.